Hello everyone! Today I will walk you through SciNote, a top-rated electronic lab notebook for labs in industry and academia. It's a reliable and easy-to-use software that covers labs' most important needs, such as inventory tracking and management, team collaboration, protocol management, and much more. If you are thinking about going digital, one of the most important steps is to organize your data in an optimal, efficient, and traceable way. And this is where SciNote comes in. It all starts with your dashboard, which provides a great overview of your work. You can track your progress, quickly create new tasks, and easily find the documents you worked on last. At the top, you can also see the powerful search feature that allows you to find everything and get your data as fast as possible. Inside every organization, SciNote users belong to teams. You can have one or several teams, depending on your plan and your preferences. SciNote is flexible. It supports large industry labs, individual users, small labs ready for growth, academic research labs, and others. Each team in SciNote has its unique set of projects, inventories, protocols, and reports. You also have a great overview of all activities in your lab. Let's open the project page to see SciNote in action. Each project card is like a main folder. Within it, you can create your experiment cards. You can think of them as your subfolders. Within each experiment, you can create your tasks. They can also be connected into workflows to help you visualize your work processes. In each task, you can add your text notes, protocol files, and more. SciNote is also integrated with Chemaxon's Marvin.js chemical drawing tool. The integration enables you to draw molecules directly from the SciNote interface as you work on your experiments. You can access the chemical drawing option from any rich text editor inside SciNote. For example, while writing a protocol inside the task, you can see this Create Chemical Drawing button, and when you click on it, a new window will appear with all the functionalities Marvin.js has to offer. Here you can draw your chemical structures and chemical reactions. I'll create a quick one just to see how it works. When you're done, simply click Save and Close. The image will be inserted directly into the text field in SciNote. You can then resize it, edit it, or download it to your computer. SciNote allows you to keep all your data in one place, safe and interconnected. If you're interested in defining the most optimal way to use it in your lab and discover other great functionalities, our team is here to help. Visit our website and schedule your Q&A session and see SciNote in action on your own use case.